Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the X login error, Attestation Denied problem. So if you keep getting this error when trying to log into your account, just follow along step by step and we'll get it fixed. All right, let's dive in. First, open any web browser on your phone. Now, go to the official X website and log into your account from there. Don't use the app for this part. After you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now go to Security and Account Access, then tap on Security. Look for Manage Passkeys and tap on it. Now select Create a new passkey. You'll be asked to enter your account password, so type it in carefully and tap Next. After that, tap on Create Passkey and Continue. Your device will now ask you to verify your identity. This could be your fingerprint, Face ID, or your device PIN. Go ahead and confirm it. Once you see the message that says you're all set, tap Done. This adds a new secure login method to your X account and often fixes the Attestation Denied problem login error. Now, close everything and restart your device completely. After your phone turns back on, open the X app and try logging in again. And that's it. That should fix the login error problem. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.